Hi guys, Retro Trek Ralph here. Another Star Trek, the movie collection from Konami, figure collection. Let's have a look at this one. They only made one volume of these. They did these in 2008. They did 9 actual ships, but that's not to be confused because there are only 7, but we'll get through to that eventually anyway. This one today is one of the rarest. This is the Klingon Bird of Prey. It was one of the chase items. You had actually got 3 chase items according to Wikipedia. You had main ones, but there were certain slight differences. But when we get round to the Enterprise E and the battle cruiser, I'll show you what they are anyway. So a sealed bag. Let's get into this anyway, because I don't mind opening these lot for you guys. So let's get inside. So that's a nice little model there. Yeah, they did Futura ones, and they were secret ones. I think on one series, the Enterprise E, or the first series, I think, it was the Romulan Bird of Prey, and that was nice if you ever found it. But in the UK, we never had. That's never going to fit in there, is it? Oh, yeah, a little bit. We had these sort of, there are very rare shops that would sell these, and it's a shame that they didn't get more outward, and yeah, you'd see more of them. I'm trying to open this up without camera, but that's not working very well. There we go, there's the guns for the ship. So you have to be a specialist model shop or a comic book shop. Is it that way or the other way? No, it's that way. There we go, one up. The suspense is killing me on this one, trying to get this in place. And second one in place there. So, your base there, it basically just says Klingon Bird of Prey, but these were the problem with the extra ones, the other chase ones, would actually have a different base, and we'll go through that one eventually anyway. But the Klingon Bird of Prey from Star Trek 3, the first time it was ever shown on screen. I mean, there's not bad detail work on this, to be honest. For 2008, this ain't bad. The vents on the back, the grills, the weathering. There's a lot more paintwork which could be done with these, I think. Oh, there we go. Got the red underwings. Going on the end there, just making it more a little bit constructive. You can build this. So I have a clear section on the back for the impulse engines, and the ship in. I'm not sure if this is an attack mode or not. I know Eagle Moss did 3 versions of this: the attack, the cruise, and the landing. I think it was. It's a very nice looking ship, this. There's a lot of detail work on this. There's a lot of detail missing, obviously, but there's nothing stopping anybody getting a set of these and actually retouching up certain bits. The band around the bridge section there, that's meant to be red, the top section. There's a lot more different colours, different greens on this. I can see a little bit of darker sections there, the greys, but nothing over the top that you would think. You'd need more detail on this, to be honest. But for the type of ship that these are, since these were way before any mass productions like Eagle Moss came out, these are absolutely stunning. If I can ever get my hands on a full Futura set or a Remando set, I've never had a Remando set. Ever. I would love one. But I'll never get a hold of one, I know I won't. I mean, size-wise, I do with the Eagle Moss stuff. Yeah, it's similar. Width of my hand, not the length of my hand. But still, it's a nice little Klingon bird of prey. I'm sure I could get a... So I think on the model size, I've got a 350th scale Enterprise refit. I wonder if this would actually be similar sort of size scale to that. I bet it would be, you know. I mean, they're not far off. So they're lovely little ships, these. All pre-painted, pre-made. There's a little bit of construction to do when you get around to them. And take out the sweets, or the candies as they say. A bit of a bend on the neck there, to be honest, so it's a production problem. Nothing that I couldn't possibly fix, but I'm not going to, because it'd probably damage it anyway. A little bit of heat on there, push it across, but I'm not doing that. That's not what I'm going to be doing with this. This is going to go on display, and yeah, nice little ship. Nice little Klingon bird of prey. They use it quite a lot, to be honest, the bird of prey model. But since it were in Star Trek 3, where we started to see a lot more different ships, a lot more different designs of things, it just evolved, obviously, from there. More different starships and alien vessels. So with that in mind, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Follow me on social media, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.